Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Sign into your Samsung account and turn on Samsung Notes Sync on the phone so notes are backed up. Once done, choose whether you'll run the Android app on PC via an APK or use link to Windows/phone link. I recommend APK only if link is unavailable. Make sure USB debugging is active or phone and PC share a stable Wi-Fi. This ensures direct access to your note data and avoids sync conflicts later. Now you install the app and create the bridge. If you sideload, run a tested Android emulator or Windows subsystem for Android and install the Samsung Notes APK, then sign into your Samsung account so Cloud Notes appear. Alternatively, connect via phone link or use ADB/Visor to mirror and export note files. Exporting as SDoc or PDF is useful for portability. If Samsung Cloud Sync is active, that will automatically populate notes on sign-in, saving manual transfers and keeping revisions intact. Finish by confirming everything works. Open multiple notes including handwriting and images to check rendering and attachments. If notes are missing, make sure you're signed into the same Samsung account, that sync completed on the phone, and that the APK or link version isn't outdated. Version mismatch often blocks cloud access. As a fallback, export notes from your phone as SDoc or PDF and import or open them on PC. This step reliably recovers content when live sync fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.